Meet Tanaka-san. He works with ABC Multi Corporation in Tokyo, and now he will be moving to Delhi in India to work in the Indian branch. Tanaka-san and his entire family are extremely excited to move to India. His wife wants to experience yoga firsthand. His son is so happy that he will get to see one of the 7 wonders of the world, and Tanaka-san's mouth has already started watering at the thought of butter chicken. While the family is preparing their checklist of all that they want to see in India, Tanaka-san gets started on another checklist. All those things that he will have to check with his HR point of contact. It should be a quick one, isn't it? The HR listens carefully to all the issues and gives him contacts of some people to connect. Immigration advisor, some property agents for house search, a tax consultant. But Tanaka-san's queries regarding adjustments in the Indian society and dealing with language or cultural differences is something that he feels only an expat will be able to address. So, he connects him to Miyaki-san, another Japanese expat in the Indian branch. For Tanaka-san, Miyaki-san seems like a godsend. He decides that he will do all that Miyaki-san did. But when Miyaki-san discussed his experiences of settling in when he first came, and the cultural and language adjustment issues that he still sometimes faces, Tanaka-san's confusion increased instead of getting resolved. He got a list of many more people to talk to and tasks to attend to added to his list. It became a major worry for him. How to identify the right people with so much confusion and all these language and cultural adjustment issues. His Indian dream, which was filled with a colorful hope of a truly incredible India, was now filled with all these cumbersome issues to manage. But with the right support from Expat Orbit, the story could have been different. Whenever any new expat is to be seconded to India, just one thing is required to ensure the most efficient secondment for the company, an expat. Send an email to us. Rest everything works like a clockwork. Our Japanese relationship manager is assigned as one point of contact for all requirements. The international compliance team will work on everything related to secondment planning, international tax and PF compliances for the company and the expat, immigration requirements for the entire family, and all requisite legal documentation. Being a Japanese herself, the relationship manager will better understand the tastes, preferences, and concerns of Tanaka-san. And the Indian experts of all domains will ensure all that is required for Tanaka-san, his family, and the company as well, to have a smooth stay in India. Our tech-integrated, holistic expat management solution is the simplest and the most straightforward answer for just about anything related to international assignments. With our one-stop experience, the company will be able to fulfill Tanaka-san's dream of a satisfying professional stint, as well as an enriching personal experience in India, in the most efficient and hassle-free manner. We believe in helping you create an experience that your expats can cherish and remember forever.